This chicken has already been brined. In my other video, I showed how the process works. Just click the link down below. So let's season our chicken with salt, pepper, paprika, and cayenne and give it a nice mix. Next, crack in 1 egg. Sorry, I forgot about this. Again, mix very well and let's coat this chicken up. To coat our chicken, dredge it in a mix of flour and cornstarch and let it rest before frying. While the chickens are resting, let's make our garlic aioli. Just mix the mayo and garlic, season with salt and pepper. You can add some balsamic vinegar too for more flavor, if you want. This is all done, set aside, and we'll fry those chickens. Gently drop your chicken into the oil at 325 Fahrenheit for around 7 to 8 minutes. While waiting for the chicken to cook, go and visit my channel for more cooking tutorials. Now the chickens are done, let's toast our bread, then assemble this awesome sandwich. Spoon or brush some butter to your bread, then grill. Be generous with the butter though. If you don't have any grill pan, use an ordinary saute pan or even a toaster will do. Everything's finally done. Let's plate this up. Spread some of the aioli onto your bread. Layer the cucumbers, then top it with the chicken. Season with salt and pepper, and we are done.